All right, guys, here's the video to randomize teams for the full-size helmet break number 5 with the possible Big Ben. This is for the January 23rd breaks. We'll check the time here. It's January 15th at 3:18 p.m. Go over to the break and type live. And we've got January 15th at 3:18 p.m. Oh, hold on a minute here. Gotta get my list of teams right here. That would help. There we go. It's our list of 32 NFL teams. We're going to randomize this list and then match it to our entry list, and then that'll determine who gets what teams. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. So I'll get the team list posted here. You guys got a while to trade yet, so that's it. We'll see you for the break.